Hi, my name is Ramon Roche. I'm the Executive Director of the Dronecode Foundation. We're gathered today with about 20 industry members to work on the MAVLink-M industry standard. Industry vendors choose MAVLink-M to integrate cross-vendor payload functionality. In essence, abstracting away the difficulties of custom payload integration.
My name is Lorenz. I'm the creator of MAVLink, and today is a very special day because we had the first hackathon of the MAVLink-Military working group. We have a lot of different vendors here today that are demonstrating that they can integrate different payloads with different drones using MAVLink-M. We want to create true interoperability because it creates choice for warfighters.